Earlier this year, we headed to our current marina to take care of our leaky tow rail and thought we'd be done in a week or two. Due to weather and the need to take paying jobs, we've been here for 2 months now. But there's one more thing that slows us down in life. Over the last 3 years, we've had 5 of our 10 kids helping us to work on this boat. We have made it a priority to teach them, involve them, and to make time for the fun things along the way. Today, we're almost ready to leave for our next adventure, but we've got a to-do list a mile long. Of course, the kids will be helping out, and even though we could probably do their jobs faster than them, that would defeat the whole purpose. We believe that kids learn best by being immersed in life.
Nice day though.
Are we ready to go?
Clean the top of that thing off.
We need to do these fair leads. Look at this. That fair lead is the wrong direction. We're not sure why it would be like this.
It's supposed to run this through it, right?
If you have any idea why somebody would put the fair leads in, all 3 of them like that, put it in the comments. But we're going to turn them around and get this set up before we leave from here.
Lights
Today we're going to be putting these back on.
Maybe. I got to go to the store and get another nut because I lost one. Nobody has it. I want to permanently wire the binnacle up to the breaker box. We're going to try to reeve the traveler for the mizzen and the main. We got to change out the furling line, this white line right here.
That's our to-do list for today. Let's see if we can get it all done. Well, what are you doing now? That's not on our list.
Yeah, I forgot. I got to put some set screws in this. I don't want that to fall off, so.
There's actually a few more things that need to be on this to-do list today. Gabe is checking the mail and doing our laundry, and I've got a video that needs to be finished. So we're up bright and early, but I still gotta go get the kids out of bed. They don't like to get up. They're kind of night owls right now. These aren't all teenagers.
I gotta hook this up to the breaker and I'm just gonna decide where to put it.
But what?
Instruments. Chart plotters, that kind of stuff. There's already a fuse box in the breaker that it's wired to, but it's just one of those little blade fuse boxes, and I'm going to eliminate it and actually take the wires right to a breaker, so I just got to determine which breaker to use.
Girls, it's time to get up. Wakey, wakey, wakey. Liberty, it's time to wake up. Hey, Denelli. How are you? How are you? Alright, is Gabe up yet?
Nope.
You up? Wake up. Time to get up. Alright, what's going on?
Dad left the door open. There's a hole right there that goes in the closet.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. It's kind of a mess in here. This is our storage area right now. That is the hole that she climbs through from my bedroom.
I'll show you where. See? There's stuff so she can get in there.
So if Dad leaves this cupboard door open, she goes through that hole. It's been a whole thing with the cat. She loves to crawl through the smallest spaces into bilge spots or wherever she can explore. The nature of cats drives Abigail bananas. Are you getting her?
Oh, she's laying down on the toilet now.
Well, you need to go in and get her. She's not allowed in that space. Silly kitty.
She slept underneath your chair all night.
Did she? Okay, Abigail, you're doing... No, put the cat down and do what Dad asked you to do.
There's no knot in it.
It might take 2 hands. You got to help feed it in. See, I'm pulling on the wire. It's not coming because you got to feed it in from the top.
Which one?
Open the door and feed the wire from the top. Help push it down and feed it so that it'll go. All right?
Come here, my kitty kitty.
Yeah, she wants to get in this hole.
Meow. Come here. 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 Come
I think we need to have somebody holding the cat to keep her out of our way, huh?
It looks pretty good. What do you think? Think that'll work?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Very nice.
What is that for?
It's for these wires to go through into here. Right, those marks are the marks.
Hello. Good thing I wasn't over there.
Good thing. Don't let it fall. Alright, guys, let's go.
What is it?
It's an SOS distress light.
Oh, so it blinks in SOS?
Yep.
Sweet!
Yep.
This came from our Amazon wish list. Thank you, Klaus. Not letting me do anything, so
Where's the brush? Get the brush and scrub. Okay.
she almost pushed me off the boat. I'm sorry, let's do what I told you.
So here's the thing. I could edit this stuff out and pretend that my kids never argue, but it's a normal part of life, and we're trying to keep things real around here. All right, come in, Denali, you're kind of getting wet.
If she is or not. Alright, I need my little rubber thing out of the freezer to drill the holes in.
Can you please go get it?
That's not nice, Abigail.
Yelling at me.
Alright, we're going to try this. I don't think it's frozen, I just think it's very cold.
Well, I
It's okay.
can't get it any colder on this boat.
Nope, probably not. Well, I don't know if that hole is big enough or not. Like I said, without it being cold, this is going to be a way smaller hole than I need. I got to put this cable through that hole.
Well, good luck.
She hasn't washed this part yet. She's not gonna relax. You're already wet.
Find what you need.
The nice thing about having a wife that encourages you to spend all kinds of money on tools is you get to buy all these cool little things that she really loves that you have.
Wait.
Have a wife like mine.
Wait.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Can I go not end? On the very end?
Yeah, don't fall in. I will videotape it just in case you do.
I deserve ice cream tonight.
I thought you wanted $20. You want ice cream or you want $20?
$20.
$20.
Where'd that come from?
I've been waiting to get this thing that went out of stock, and now it's finally back in stock.
Well, it looks like you finished.
Well, I got this part in. Those put back together. Hook up the power down below and we're good.
Hey, Denali, are you staying out of the way? Yeah, you're the smart dog.
Dad, don't kill us. What are you doing?
Alright, is that okay?
No.
What do you mean no?
At least I'm both agreed on something.
Dad!
Bye. You should try not to move the boat much. In here, I'll make sure we don't go anywhere.
Don't make me fall in the water, Abigail.
Alright, this is what we're using. I have no idea if it's good or not good. See this rope? Pull on it. Pull yourself this way. There you go. Move your lines. There you go. Move your lines, Abigail. This is why it takes so long to do things on a boat.
Because of children? Is that what you're saying? What? Time to get the boat done.
Here, take the bucket. Take the bucket.
You think you're done?
Yeah.
Here, pull it over, Abigail. Got all kinds of ropes. Pull it over. If the bucket's empty, dump it out.
Wow.
Not into the dinghy.
I was trying. Okay, we need to go to the other one, Daddy. Whee!
Okay, you have to unclip that.
So we drift off. It's all Dad's fault.
You guys can go all the way back to there. Liberty, you just keep the front of the boat. Hang on to that rope in the front. There you go.
We almost fell off like many.
So untie that rope right there, Abigail, the blue one.
The blue one?
Yep.
Oh, wait, I want to do it. I want to do it.
All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it up a little bit so we can drain the water out of the dinghy and rinse it out, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, here, rinse it out.
Oh, Jimmy!
Start at the front. Okay. Wash the side of the dinghy, the pontoons, rinse it out. Careful. You're not going to go anywhere.
Well, it sounded like it was about to break. Oh no, this is gonna end. It's gonna end.
Are you good? I'm going to let go of your hand.
No.
Okay, then get on here.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I'm stuck.
Fish out of water.
Alright, where'd those kids go? They're supposed to be cleaning the boat. Yeah. They appear to be gone. Where'd they go? Ah. Looks like they went for a ride. Who's steering that boat? Abigail's steering that boat.
There you go. Okay, want to go this way?
You're coming in hot. Whoa. That wasn't how it was supposed to be done.
That's because it won't go into neutral very well.
Not going into neutral.
It's just really hard.
Chad, you're gonna get.
It's I'm wondering if it's
Turn it off. Turn it off.
we got our little thing up that should be down for shallow water. All right. Okay, we need dinghy lessons. The shifter is really hard to go into neutral.
No,
it's like you have to crank and then you crank and then it jumps into reverse instead of going into neutral. And I don't know if that's a problem with the gear shifter or if that's normal on these outboards. I think it should be easier. And so of course for Abigail, she can't even get it out of neutral. And so it's like, what the heck? And then it's really hard too to give it the throttle. I mean, you have to twist really hard and then it just breaks free and goes.
We all fall down.
We all fall down. This is why we need a boarding ladder.
No, can you imagine me doing that? Are we pulling this up? What are we doing?
Yeah, we're gonna pull it up.
We have so much more to do. Abigail, can you take that downstairs and help figure out the laundry?
Once you have her help you film that.
Why do we have to fold the laundry?
Because the laundry needs to be folded. So the screws just go into the deck and we can't get to them from the inside because of the headliner. So we're just putting butyl on here and hoping for the best, I guess. This is like the easiest job we've done. I'm gonna have it done in like 15 minutes. Did I jinx myself?
What she's trying to do, she's trying to hold it over my head and rub it into me that my jobs take longer. Isn't that right there?
Well, you know, you kind of get distracted. You're like, squirrel, squirrel.
Honey, it's time to go make dinner.
Yeah, you're on your own. Well, we've got 8 things out of 10 done. I'm going to call that a win. Thanks for joining us on our real life adventure. Please help us out by giving us a thumbs up and sharing with friends. Come back next Saturday when we set sail for our next location.
Just, I'm going
You need
to
to look at the
eliminate.
camera, not me.
I am looking at you. I am looking at you, babe.
No.
Oh, the camera.
These people. These people.
If you're going to film other stuff, then you need to be further away. So if you're going to do B-roll of my nose, yes, you have to hold it very still for like 10 seconds, right?
Am I done filming?
Are you done filming? I guess. For the moment. While I'm thinking.
Well, it appears that the boat has vomited tools again.
Mommy!
Sick. It's just sick. That looks like that ought to be a wicked one right there. That can go right through your finger, and you can pierce the end of your finger and wear a finger ring. New fad, finger ring.
Finger rings? Aren't rings supposed to go on fingers?
It's over here?
Over there.
Ah, die! I think I killed it.
You're talking to yourself?
Yep. I'm all about the quality conversation.